Hello everybody, I want to show you this video how to remove the SIM card and the SD card from the Huawei Mate 10 Lite. So what we need is the pin. It is part of the box usually, otherwise you could use also a paper clip. Okay, with the edge of that pin we enter the small hole in here on the side, press a bit and the SIM tray will come out, and in the SIM tray you have the SIM card and the micro SD card. Now you can remove it. In case you have the dual SIM version, you could choose between micro SD and nano SIM card. Maybe you have two nano SIM cards inserted. Now you can remove it and put maybe another one, or put it back empty into the phone and resell it or whatever. I hope I could help you with this video and answer a question. Maybe if you want to see more for this phone, maybe how to reset the phone or something like this, you can follow my channel. Thank you so much for watching this, and maybe if you want, you can leave me a nice comment or give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for really support for my videos. Maybe until next time. Ciao.